Hi, my name is Fanorotodo, and I'm going to debate about allocate resources towards adapting to climate change rather than mitigating or preventing climate change. Okay, I'll go with mitigating, preventing climate change. Before I'm going to start, I'll explain what is climate change. I'm going to explain what is climate change so we can have more things to discuss later, to debate later. Okay, so what is climate change? So climate change is a significant change in a climate, a temperature, and rainfall. Okay, this is caused by the increase in the temperature of the earth as a result of the increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases in the earth atmosphere. Okay, now we know what is the definition of climate change. Now, why should we stop, prevent, or mitigating climate change? Okay, first of all, climate change is not such a good thing. It's a negative thing because it brings dangers to the world, like a disaster. Disaster is makes people scared. Okay, uh, put people in danger because we don't know what kind of disaster caused by this climate change. Probably like the dangerous one, like tsunami, tornado, like things I don't know. Okay, because of this climate change. So this climate change is dangerous because we don't know when, where, or even what kind of disaster will happen to the world, to some places. Okay, so why should we stop or preventing rather than mitigating? I mean allocate or adapting towards to climate change, because like I said before, we don't know where, on when, or what kind of disaster gonna happen to us. Okay, so if people trying to say like we should allocate or adapting to climate change, then I must say it's not a nice idea or a great idea. Okay, so I'm gonna explain what kind of disaster will occur due to the climate change. Okay, so climate change makes disaster. Okay, first, tsunami. Okay, tsunami. Why tsunami? People probably ask like climate change due to tsunami. How? Okay, so climate change causes global warming. Okay, the global warming makes the ice at the poles, okay, melting. Okay, they are melt and then makes the volume of water on the ocean raise. Okay, and then makes tsunami. The water short to the island. Okay, and the second one is flood. Flood is very like clear enough. Okay, and then tornado. So because we humans, because we human cause this happen, we need to know how to prevent this climate change. Okay, so probably we're wondering why. We're probably wondering um what exactly is causing this climate change. What exactly caused this climate change? Okay, as what I said before, humans. Yeah, exactly, it's because of human, especially with the burning of fossil fuels such as um, diesel oil, gases, coal that produce heat trapping gases on in our atmosphere. Okay, so because we're human, we are the one who made this happen, this climate change, then we are the one who has to be preventing this for our own good. Okay, by what can we do? Okay, first, from the way we travel, from the way we travel, how the way we travel prevent the climate change. Okay, it really help. It will. It it has a very big difference when you travel, use your own car than a bus. Because if you use your own car, you will like you you will waste energy, solar, I mean diesel or anything you use for your car. But if you use your bus, more or less, you know what I'm saying is, so if you go travel, you better use a bus or public transportation. Don't use your own car because it's not really helpful to our world, to this earth. Okay, and then the second one, how you use electricity in your house, in your home. Do you turn on the light all day when you are not home? From now on, we should stop, change this habit, even though we don't feel the consequence right now, but it will the consequence will be, how to say this, the consequence will happen in the future. Okay, maybe it's just a simple thing, it's like just a light, electricity, it's like nothing, but simple things makes bigger change. Okay, so from now on, like when you leave your home, try your best to not let the lights turn on like that. Okay, because simple things can change too, makes the difference too. And then from the food we eat too, maybe you say like, how, food? Yeah, food too. Okay, so I think so if you're trying to say that allocate or adapting to climate change, uh-uh, I think it's not a good idea. Because if we dig deeper the meaning of preventing, mitigating climate change, we will know and understand the meaning of this climate change, how to prevent it, how to stop the world dying, like that. I think that's from me. Thank you.